My name is Dian. My dealership name is Atlanta Direct Auto. I'm in this business since 2003. As an Iranian immigrant, I picked 3 different jobs to feed my family and myself, include delivering pizza, being as a mechanic and technician for a few years. But I still, at the same time, I have a dream to open my own car dealership. Some of my challenges include my cash flow and also having enough buying power to grow my business, because it was tough, basically using your own capital and buying enough car to maintain employee and marketing and all those things. NextGear and the floor plan gave me that confidence to go all in for car business. I used other floor plan in the past, and the difference between NextGear and the other floor plan is, for me, is more about understanding how I run my business and the value of my company and how I manage my account. They appreciating the good dealer versus not the good dealer. Before NextGear Capital, I always have an issue when I'm going to auction and buying car. I feel like I may taking a guess or chance to losing money and also not getting the right inventory. So with the buying power the NextGear gave me, I feel like I can take a little bit of the more risk when it comes to buying at auction. They give you opportunity to learn on how to get bigger and better car dealers. My first floor plan was $50,000. Now it's around $1 million. With the NextGear Capital app, what I see always is all those data I need to know as far as the interest and also how many days in my car is in my lot and what payment coming up based on the weekly or monthly. So I can really manage my lot with that app. Anytime I need, I can communicate with my manager. Getting a title, getting a copy of the bill of sale is easier for us to do a lot of things at the time we're not available at the car lot or we are at the auction, for example. The NextGear app helped me to minimize the timing I have to spend to clear my audit. Before was like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Now the whole audit within maybe 1 minute is saving a lot of time. So it's a huge for us. NextGear Capital helped me to reduce some of those stress we have in car business. And part of the stress is buying a car because we don't know what's gonna end up to selling in 30 days or 180 days. Tanya, she's great. She's always available and we have a very good relationship. She's always trying to help me to get the best plan possible for my need and also helping me with any type of benefit can get from NextGear to grow my business. She has a unique way to talk to me about everything, not just a salesman to come in and sell something, because she making sure I'm getting the most efficient way to grow my business and myself. She always be there listening to me, to understanding what investment I have and what type of inventory and what type of term we get to maintain the account. The biggest challenge these days we're facing overall is to be competitive with other dealership, and we have always discussion with the NextGear about those challenges I have. You don't have a good guidance and you don't have a good portfolio manager, you may make a bad decision with a term and those gonna hurt you. With the NextGear Capital, trust is very important because it's a mutual respect between two companies. With that trust, I can have better confidence and grow my business. I'm not looking for lender. I'm looking for someone as a partner to be around for a long time and not gonna go anywhere. They show me they are here for me. It's just one phone away to call Tanya, or one click on the app, or one email to someone in the audit department. I'm gonna get a phone call back or email back. Flooring the vehicle, reflooring the vehicle. Everything is easy with them. They are here to help me. They put me in the position to grow my business and keep that trust going for 20 some years. I think this business and this relationship between me and NextGear is gonna go very far.